Narrated Abu Huraira, the Prophet said, "The part of an izar which hangs below the ankles is in the fire." Narrated Abu Sa'id al-Khudri, the Prophet forbade ishtimal, and that a man should sit in an atiba posture in one garment, nothing of which covers his private parts. Narrated Abu Burda, Aisha brought out to us a kissa and an izar, and said, "To Prophet while wearing these two, kissa, a square black piece of woolen cloth, izar, a sheet cloth garment covering the lower half of the body." Narrated Ibn Abbas, the Prophet said, "Whoever cannot get an izar, can wear trousers, and whoever cannot wear sandals can wear cuff socks made from thick fabric or leather." Narrated Qatada, I asked Anas, "What kind of clothes was most beloved to the Prophet?" He replied, "The hibra, a kind of Yemenis cloth." Narrated Sa'd, on the day of the Battle of Uhud, on the right and on the left of the Prophet were two men wearing white clothes, and I had neither seen them before, nor did I see them afterwards. Narrated Aisha, the wife of the Prophet, when Allah's apostle died, he was covered with a hibra bird green square decorated garment. Narrated Thabit, I heard Ibn az-Zubair delivering a sermon, saying, Muhammad said, "Whoever wears silk in this world shall not wear it in the hereafter." Narrated Ali bin Abi Talib, the Prophet gave me a silk suit. I went out wearing it, but seeing the signs of anger on his face, he tore it and distributed it among my wives. Narrated Anas, the Prophet allowed az-Zubair and Abdurrahman to wear silk because they were suffering from an itch.